Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. So how do you link the STINGER-V1 bug bot? You click on the code to download the bot file and go to your bot hosting server. Upload the file as usual. Those that got my former video how to link my first bot to understand. Upload the file, the zip file from your downloads. Then unarchive the file. You're unzipping the file. So you unzip the file. So you unzip the file and delete the zip file and leave the main file there on your server. Only delete the zip file and leave the main file. Open your main file and select all the files. Click on the button there to select all the files and move to // as you can see. Click on move for it to move all the files to that directory. Then you go back to your container and delete your main file, the STINGER-V1 main. As you can see there, the main file. You're deleting the main file. Then go into your database folder to impute your number. Go to una.json, impute your WhatsApp number in international format and save contents. I've already done mine, so the name of imputing. Go to premium.json. You see the number there, edit yours and put save changes. Then go to your console and start your bot. Wait for about 5 to 6 minutes for it to be successfully deployed. Impute your WhatsApp number when it says you should do so, and a pair code will pop up once you put your WhatsApp number on the server. Go to your link device on WhatsApp and link with phone number instead. Copy the code and paste in your link device on your WhatsApp account. Wait for it to log in successfully. Once it logs in successfully, it doesn't take much time. Yeah, then you are done. That's how you link the STINGER-V1. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch other videos.